Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Naman and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be another sneaker unboxing video in which I will be unboxing my first Jordan 1 High. Since the time I remember, I got into sneakers. I've been wanting to buy a Jordan 1 High mainly because of its rich history, its worldwide popularity and how amazing this particular sneaker looks on feet. Now let me quickly show you the sneaker and then we'll talk about it further. So here is the box. Now I am pretty sure that most of you would have already guessed with the box. As you can see, it is a black Jordan 1 High box with Nike written in yellow color. Now this is a unique box because typically Nike is written with red or kind of an orangish color, and this is the first time where Nike is written with yellow color, and the main reason for that is because of the color combination of the sneaker. Now let me quickly open the box and show you the sneaker I'm talking about today. And here it is. So this is a pair of Jordan 1 High Pollens, and the reason it is called Pollens is because of black and yellow color which resembles honeybees. And let me put this box aside. So here it is. Now I can't express how happy I am to finally own a pair of Jordan 1 Highs. I have been wanting to buy a pair for myself for a very long time. In fact, there were a lot of grey Jordan 1 Highs that were released in the last 2 years, but somehow I couldn't convince myself to pay the high resale they were going on for, because Jordan 1 Highs are one of the most coveted pairs all over the world, and one pair that resells for almost 2 to 3 times, and somehow I can't justify paying 25, 30, 35, 40,000 rupees for a pair of sneakers. And this time I got lucky. I won a raffle from Veg Non Veg and I got these sneakers for retail, and that is the reason I actually ended up buying these sneakers. First time in the last 2 years I won a raffle on any of the online platforms. I've been filling so many raffles on Veg Non Veg, Superkicks, Nike, even Adidas for that matter as well, and I've never ever won a raffle, and this is the first time I actually hit a W on the raffle, and I'm so happy that it is a pair of Jordan 1 Highs. This particular color combination actually comes from Nike Dunk High Iowa, or a lot of people call them Wu-Tangs as well. Varsity Maze, or I think Black Varsity Maze as well, is one of the names given to that particular silhouette. In fact, that was the particular sneaker that I wanted to buy for myself. I wanted that yellow and black color combination on Nike Dunk Highs, but I guess they were never released in India, and I did check with a couple of resellers, they didn't have it. So I'm really happy that Nike decided to make this particular sneaker, because I wanted this color combination of yellow and black, and I wanted to buy my first Jordan 1 High as well. So this actually was perfect for me. Now going into a little bit of detail, the entire sneaker, as you can see, is built of two colors, yellow and black. Now the entire yellow color is actually made of smooth leather, which is not that great of a quality. I mean, if you compare it with a black leather over here, black leather is more of a tumbled leather and is much smoother than the yellow colored leather over here. But it is not that bad as well. I mean, I wouldn't say that this is like one of the worst quality sneakers, and this is probably the best as well. This is kind of in the middle. But yes, the black leather over here feels very soft. It is really nice. I mean, it feels so good in your hand. Now coming to specifics, the toe area, as you can see, is made of yellow color. The band is made of black. They've got the same black tumbled leather in the middle. Have got the yellow in the upper portion which goes up to the back, and they've used the same yellow smooth leather on the lower back tab. Have got a little bit of black on the upper back tab, which is again very smooth, very nice quality, and have got the same yellow for the eye stain. I've got the black nylon tongue, which is again very soft, and have got the Nike branding on the top of the tongue, something that I've been wanting for a very long time. Because I do have a pair of Jordan 1s as well, Jordan 1 lows and mids, but they do have a different branding. And I know it's not a big deal, but trust me, for a sneakerhead, having his first pair of Jordan 1 Highs is a big deal. On this particular one, I've got yellow laces. This particular sneaker actually comes with 3 different laces. Yellow is the factory laced color. It comes with extra pair of black laces and white laces as well. On this particular one, as you might have already seen, I have got red laces. This is something that I wanted to try. I wanted to try a different colored laces on this one. I'm not really sure that how this particular color looks on this particular sneaker. I'll probably try these on first, and if they do not look good with the red laces, I'll probably switch them to yellow or to black. I did try the white laces on the sneakers as well. They didn't look that good. I'll quickly pop up quick clip over here. I posted this YouTube Shorts video as well, wherein I showed lace swapping of these particular sneakers. If you haven't checked it, I'll be playing it over here. Do check it. And you'll see that white didn't look that good on these. Black looked really nice, but somehow my favorite are the yellow ones. Let me quickly put these sneakers on feet, and then I'll talk about the sizing and the comfort of the sneakers. Now there are different ways that you can keep these laces. If you want, you can tie these laces. I'll probably tie these just to see the complete look. Or if you want, you can just leave them hanging in the side as well, just by losing this a little bit. But I would want to try the lacing it. I'm gonna tie one. I'm just gonna keep these loose just to see which one looks better. So it is ready. So what do you think about these particular sneakers on feet? I think I really like the yellow color on the sneakers. I'm not that happy with the red ones. So I'll probably switch them. So as you saw, the sneakers looked great on feet, and I can't express how happy I am to finally see a pair of Jordan 1 highs on my feet. Now quickly talking about the sizing, my true Nike size is UK 9, and that's what I got these in. And I think they fit pretty well. I mean, I don't think that I need to go up half a size. So I would suggest go true to size for these. And talking about the comfort, now as we all know that Jordan 1s came out in 1985, and the last 36 years the technology remains the same. So these are not one of the most comfortable sneakers around the world, but definitely when it comes to looks, they look amazing. And I think that sometimes you can definitely compromise on the comfort when you're wearing such great sneakers. Talking about the pricing, the MRP for these is 14,000 rupees. I got these for retail from Veg Non Veg. The resale price for these is not that high as well currently. They are reselling for anywhere between 17 to 19,000 rupees, and is mostly available with almost all the resellers across India. So if you are interested and if you like these sneakers, you can definitely contact your local reseller. I'm pretty sure they would be able to arrange these sneakers because they have been restocked multiple times. And I personally feel that it's good that a particular sneaker is not reselling for that much, so that at least people who appreciate sneakers or people who want to wear sneakers can buy those sneakers, not spending that much. Because as we all know that it's not easy to spend 30, 35, 40,000 rupees on a pair of sneakers, and I'm happy that these are not going for that much. So people who wanted to buy their first Jordan 1 highs like me are able to buy this particular sneaker, enjoy them, wear them, and be happy about the fact that they have a pair of Jordan 1 high. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you watch it till the end, I hope you like the video, because honestly I'm very happy to unbox my first Jordan 1 high. And yes, if you guys are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the thumbs up button and comment down below what you think about these particular sneakers. And do you own any pair of Jordan 1 highs, or you are also one of those who are looking to purchase their first pair of Jordan 1 highs? So thank you so much once again. Take care of yourself, take care of family members.